Hello, in the next few minutes I'm going to show you a simple way to improve your memory. Some people have had a poor memory most of their life. Others develop memory problems as they get older. It can be trouble with short-term memory, long-term memory, names, numbers, words, or all of these. I've had trouble remembering names since I was a child, although I'm pretty good at remembering details. Memory problems can cause you to take longer to complete tasks. You might find yourself having trouble remembering where you put things. There are times when memory function is especially important, like when you're trying to learn new things, or when your work calls for recalling a lot of detail. Memory is a complex issue involving study habits, mental ability, stress, drug use, and the response of the nervous system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to locate and activate 3 acupuncture points to help you improve your memory function. My name is Dr. Barretts. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos come out. The easiest to find and most convenient point to improve memory function is Heart 7. Heart 7 is known as Spirit Gate. Research has shown that Heart 7 has a positive effect on brain function. In addition to promoting memory, heart function is used to help with chest pain, irritation, rapid heartbeat, and to improve sleep. In Asia, Heart 7 is a staple of the treatment for people with autism. To find Heart 7, look at the palm side of your left hand. Notice the crease at the base of your palm. There might be 2 or 3 creases. Select the one that is closest to your palm. Feel along the crease till you reach your pinky finger end. You might feel a little tendon there. It is just on the outside of that tendon. Just like this. Gently press into this area to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is Heart 7. Activate Heart 7 by gently rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shen, I suggest you use the round end and tap like this. Now find Heart 7 on your other hand and repeat. Remember that this point is stimulated with a gentle pressure, which should not be unpleasant or painful. During or shortly after stimulating Heart 7, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your hand, arm, chest, head, or face. This is normal and temporary. After stimulating Heart 7, take a few deep breaths. And see if you don't notice some heat in your face or ears. Circulation in Sex 6 is the next powerful point to improve memory function. Circulation in Sex 6 is known as inner pass. Research has shown that stimulating circulation in Sex 6 has a positive effect on brain function. In addition to promoting memory, circulation in Sex 6 is traditionally used for chest pain, a tight feeling in the chest, rehab after stroke, and for gallbladder pain. Circulation in Sex 6 is located twice the width of your thumb above your wrist crease. To locate circulation in Sex 6, look at the palm of your right hand and notice your wrist crease. If you have more than one crease, select the crease that's closest to your hand. On the crease, find the spot that is at the midpoint of your wrist. Right about here. Now find the point that is the width of 2 thumbs above that. Right about here. Push in very gently to find the point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. Activate this point by tapping with your finger 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shen, I suggest you use the round end and it might look like this. Now find circulation in Sec 6 on your right hand and repeat. After activating circulation in Sec 6, open and close your hands a few times to see how they feel. The third point for improving memory function is conception vessel 14. Conception vessel 14 is known as the Great Gateway. In addition to helping with memory, conception vessel 14 is used to improve sleep, relieve symptoms of acid reflux, nausea, and palpitations. Conception vessel 14 is said to calm the spirit by reducing nervous system overload. Conception vessel 14 is located between your belly button and the sternum. To find conception vessel 14, put the flat of your hand just above your belly button like this. Find the point that is above your hand, then find the point that is the width of 2 thumbs above that, right about here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is conception vessel 14. Activate conception vessel 14 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. After stimulating conception vessel 14, take a few deep breaths. And gently twist from side to side. Your core just might feel a little stronger and stable. Shortly after stimulating conception vessel 14, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your abdomen, back, or chest. This is normal and therapeutic. If you want to improve your memory, I suggest that you activate Heart 7, Spirit Gate, Circulation in Sec 6, Inner Pass, and Conception Vessel 14, the Great Gateway. Twice a day for 60 days for initial results, then stimulate them as needed thereafter. And if you know someone who's having trouble with memory, please share this video with them. It can't hurt, and it just might produce a miracle. Thank you for watching. Till next time, this is Dr. Barrett signing off, yours for health naturally.